Navigating a high net worth divorce, especially when your assets exceed $1 million, brings unique challenges that require specialized knowledge and strategic approach. Here's what you need to know in order to protect yourself and ensure a fair resolution of your financial interests. High net worth divorce cases are significantly more complex than typical divorces, primarily due to the variety and volume of assets involved. Going beyond traditional assets like homes and financial accounts, high net worth divorces often include additional items of substantial value. These may consist of valuable art collections, luxury vehicles, jewelry, family heirlooms, business interests, and even specialized investment accounts. Now, each class of assets requires detailed evaluation to ensure that it's accurately valued and properly addressed in the divorce settlement, which can make the process both time-consuming and costly. A crucial step in these cases is obtaining accurate appraisals for all high-value items. This is so important. Appraisals are necessary for real estate properties, businesses, vehicles, and fine art collections, as these assets can fluctuate in value and might have appreciated significantly over time during the marriage. So starting with professional appraisals helps set a realistic understanding of the marital estate's total net worth, which is essential for negotiating a fair division. However, arranging these valuations often requires substantial effort involving multiple experts, and the process can add both time and expense to your divorce. But it is important and it is worth it in the long run. And that's why working with a family law attorney who understands the value of these appraisals can help coordinate them is critical. Another common issue in high net worth divorces is the presence of trusts. So trusts are often set up for tax planning or asset protection and may have specific terms that influence what you're entitled to in the divorce. Determining the nature and the enforceability of a trust is essential to understanding how it affects your divorce settlement. Some trusts might contain clauses that shield assets from division, while others may contain certain distributions in them. Your legal team will need to evaluate the trust documents and coordinate with financial experts to ensure that you receive a fair outcome based on what's accessible and what's permissible within the trust framework. Premarital assets also play a significant role in high net worth divorce cases. If you or your spouse entered into the marriage with substantial assets, proving their status as premarital property, it can be essential to protecting them from division with your spouse or your soon-to-be ex-spouse. These assets could include real estate, savings, investments, or even business interests that were acquired before the marriage. However, it's not enough to simply claim that these assets are premarital, and you probably know that. So you usually need thorough documentation such as deeds, purchase records, business records, startup records, financial statements from the time you acquired them, that kind of thing. Without this ironclad written documentation and proof, premarital assets could potentially be at risk of being considered marital property, especially if they were commingled with marital assets during the marriage. And finally, understanding and managing the tax implications is essential in high net worth divorces. Transferring assets like stocks, real estate, or business shares can have substantial tax consequences depending on how the division is structured. In some cases, spouses may agree to a division of assets that defers or minimizes tax liabilities, but this requires meticulous planning, which can be done, and it may involve consulting with a tax professional. If you've worked hard to build your wealth and you've accumulated various asset classes and you're now facing a high net worth divorce, it's vital to have an experienced attorney who understands the nuances involved. Give me a call if you've got any questions. We'll be glad to talk with you about it, and we'll point you in the right direction.
Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on those alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. And please share these videos and leave us comments and ask us questions. We'll be happy to answer them. Also, join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.